Welcome to the Global AI Learning and Leadership Hub.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's such a pleasure to welcome you back for day 2 of our lecture series. Yesterday, we explored the evolution of procurement and the critical role suppliers play in the automotive industry. Today, we'll dive deeper into the supplier selection process and evaluation criteria, essential tools for building successful partnerships. I'm excited to introduce our speaker, James, who will guide us through this topic with his expertise and insights. Please join me in giving him a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Katie, for the kind introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. It's wonderful to see so many eager faces today. As Katie mentioned, we'll be focusing on supplier selection procedures and evaluation criteria, which are the foundation of building reliable and innovative supply chains. Let's start by understanding the step-by-step process of selecting suppliers. This structured approach ensures that we identify and collaborate with the best partners for long-term success. The supplier selection process consists of 5 key steps, each designed to evaluate potential partners thoroughly. Let me walk you through them. Step 1. Preliminary investigation. This involves gathering information about potential suppliers, such as credit evaluations and market reputation. This step helps us filter out suppliers that don't meet basic requirements. Step 2. Interview investigation. Here, we assess the supplier's management philosophy, leadership integrity, and company history. Understanding their values and goals ensures alignment with our own. Step 3. On-site inspection. This is the most critical step. We evaluate their quality management systems, production capabilities, and financial stability. Without excelling in this step, a supplier cannot move forward in the process. Step 4. Registration. Suppliers who meet our criteria are registered as official collaborative partners. Step 5. Contract signing and order placement. Finally, we formalize the partnership through contract signing and begin collaboration with an initial order. Now that we've reviewed the process, let's discuss the criteria we use to evaluate suppliers.
Thank you for the detailed explanation, James. Could you explain the key evaluation criteria you use when selecting suppliers?
Great question, Elena. The evaluation process focuses on 4 key areas. Management. We assess management practices, financial stability, and harmonious labor relations. Production. This includes evaluating production capacity, equipment maintenance, and logistics efficiency. Technology. Their research and development capabilities, particularly for innovative technologies, are crucial. Quality. We examine their quality management systems and certification compliance to ensure reliability. These criteria ensure that we partner with suppliers who share our commitment to excellence and innovation.
Thank you, James. Your explanation was incredibly clear and insightful. This will significantly enhance my ability to evaluate suppliers effectively. I truly appreciate it.
Hello, James. My name is Michael, and I work for a German automotive parts company. These lectures have been immensely helpful for my professional growth. I'd like to know, where and when will the next lecture take place? I'd love to attend.
Thank you for your question, Michael. I'm thrilled to announce that our next lecture will be held in Vienna, Austria, 2 weeks from now. The focus will be on procurement roles and responsibilities, as well as supply chain management strategies. We'll also explore the latest technological trends from global automotive companies and discuss their advantages. It's going to be an exciting and informative session. Before we wrap up, I encourage all of you to take these strategies and apply them within your organizations. Whether it's refining supplier selection processes or implementing robust evaluation criteria, these tools are designed to drive innovation and success. Thank you all for your active participation today. I look forward to seeing you in Vienna. Have a wonderful day.
Want to learn more? Stay tuned for more AI-powered business insights and leadership lessons.